Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice lines on Rec Room. If you want to turn on voice lines in Rec Room, first of all, launch open the Rec Room application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the wristwatch icon at the top left corner. Now from here, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. Inside the Game Settings page, go ahead and click on the Visuals option from the top. Under Visuals, you'll see the UI option. There you should see the Show Voice Lines menu. Toggle on the button right next to Show Voice Lines. Now after you do that, get back to the game and then make sure that you turn on your microphone from the top right. Now allow access for Rec Room to access your microphone by tapping OK, and you will be able to see the voice lines. That is how you can easily turn on voice lines in Rec Room. Now you can enjoy a more interactive gaming experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.